Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Shazin Azwa binti and my matric number is AN200106. Today I'm going to presenting my group project that's called Bermuda Tower. So this is my group members and I'm going to talk about introduction. So solid mechanics is one of the important subjects for every student that pursues study in technology mechanical engineering. In the end of this subject, we were tasked to create a tower using only straw that can withstand a load up to 30 kg. In this project, we have been focused our main purpose to study about the importance of the subject, especially in designing a tower. So, even though using a straw, we need to unite to complete the task. That's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Idaham Makimi bin Cik Rusoh. My matric number is CN200260. Today, I would like to present about literature review. Introduction of straw tower. Straw is one of the renewable building materials and it's found around the world. Its chemical composition is primarily cellulose. Students are provided with a number of straws and fasteners, such as tape, and are instructed to build a tower structure with criteria given. The tower must be unable to bear a specific load. To get the highest potential design for the structure, students should extensively analyze the user functional needs for all types of towers. Design of straw tower project. In order to complete this project, our group members use the straw to make tower structure as inspiration and construct a design based on the criteria provided before manufacturing it into a tower model. The rectangle creates stable building blocks to ensure the tower will not fall when the weight being put on the upside of the tower. There are many different ideas of the tower designs, such as first idea, 1 center per tower, second idea, 3 center per tower, third idea, 3 straight per tower, and the final idea is Bermuda Tower. Equation for calculation. For chapter 1, stress and strain equation, we use introduction of normal stress and stress on oblique plane axial loading. For chapter 4, think cylinder equation. We use cylindrical vessel with principal stress, which is stress 1 equal Hope stress and stress 2 equal longitudinal stress. For chapter 5, transformation Morse circle equation, we calculate the construct of Morse circle. For chapter 6, column equation, we use critical load and stress critical. That's all from me. Thank you.
So I'm going to continue present methodology in this project. In methodology, we have conceptual of straw tower design. The idea for our group came from a traditional house design in Malaysia, where each house has an area at the bottom that has poles that can support the load of the house. As we all know, traditional house has a good support. Next, we have development of each stage of design. So this is our transformation from idea 1 to idea 4, which is idea 4 is our final design. So last but not least, we have fabrication of the prototype in methodology. So here I'm going to talk about step installation. So for the first step, collect 25 straws and stick the straws with tape. Repeat the same steps to produce 4 poles with a diameter 3 cm. Second step is collect 60 straws and stick the straws with tape. Repeat the same steps to produce 3 poles with a diameter of 5 cm. The third step is collect 15 straws and stick the straw with tape. Repeat the same steps to produce a pole place that will be used as a connecting pole for a pole with a diameter of 3 cm. The fourth step is stick each straw that has been taped according to the agreed design. And the last step is place 3 straw that have been attached and arrange the straw in a triangle shape to be used as a support for 3 straw with a diameter of 5 cm that will be placed in the middle of the prototype. So, after that, we are test the prototype with the load from 8 kg to 30 kg. So that's all for me. Thank you.
My name is Muhammad Izzah Hakimi. My matrix number is CN20011Y. So right now, I'm going to share about our project calculation. So for our project calculation, we use 4 chapter. The first one is stress and strain. Second one is thin cylinder. The third one is strength transformation, and the last one is column. So right now, I'm going to share about our last chapter, which is the column. So for our project calculation, we know that the diameter of the pole is 5 cm. So we can see on the diagram, the height is 24 cm and the diameter is 5 cm. We also have the data for the diagram. We know that the value of E, which is the polypropylene material, and the value is 1325 megapascal. And the value of K is 0.5. We know that the value of K, when we see on the diagram, that the upside and the downside is fixed. So for the column, we will use the two formula, which is the first one is critical load and the second one is stress critical. For the critical load, the formula is pi the power of 2 E multiplied with I per in bracket K multiplied with L the power of 2. So firstly, we need to find the value of I, which is inertia. The formula is pi R the power of 4 per 4, and then we will get the value is 3.06x exponent negative 7. So after that, we will put all the data in the formula of critical load, and then we will get the value of PCR, which is 33.43 kilopascal. After we get the value of critical load, we can find the value of stress critical, which is the formula is critical load per area. So we need to find, firstly we need to find the value of area, and the value of area is 1.963 exponent negative 3. After we get the value of A, we put the data in the formula, and then we will get the value of stress critical is 17.03 exponent 6. So we also know that the stress critical is the same of stress Y. So finally, we conclude all the calculation, and then we get the stress critical equal to stress Y equal to 17.003 megapascal. So that's all for the calculation.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurliana Nabiha binti Rosman. Metric number CN200257. I'm from Section 2. Today I would like to present about discussion analysis and conclusion. For this project of the Bermuda Tower, we have used a lot of straw as the main material, and we have also used the best masking tape as connector to attach the straw. We have discussed the best idea to the design of straw project as well as the dimension of the tower. By using our understanding theory of solid mechanics, we have used our knowledge from the solid mechanics to calculate several of our tower, such as stress and strain, thin cylinder, strength transformation equation, and column. After that, we also determine whether the deformation of the support is significant as a result of solidity by normal strain. For the conclusion, in the conclusion, the tower of straw that our group have built could hold up the load that is imposed on it. Basically, When we build a tower or building, it is very important to take a best planning about the length, width, height, or weight of the tower. Also, we gain more knowledge at the end of this project. We carrying out this project and we can learn that knowledge in this subject is critical to apply when designing and making this tower as structural support is important to achieve self result. That's all. Thank you.